Hey beauties, Andrea. So in this video I'll be mixing every single curly hair product that I have in my possession right now. Some that I love I don't have because I used it up. I'm going to be mixing every single curly hair styling product and apply it to my hair for a curly hair routine. This is actually hair that has been washed and detangled, but it dried. Alright, it dried. So I'm gonna re-wet it and do this. I got the idea from Lassette. I don't know why I want to say Lassetti. I don't know where I seen Lassetti from, but Lassette, and I seen very good results. I also saw, what's her name? Renee Today. I'm missing something in that name, but anyway, I saw Renee Today doing the challenge as well. So my turn. Let me see if I'll get great results just like they did. Let's do this. Yeah, the only oil that I've included is the jojoba oil by Sky Organics, because that's the only oil that I use if I'm about to apply an oil in my curly hair routine. Yeah, let's mix all of these babies up. The My DNA hair butter is about to be done, so I'm gonna use whatever is left. It looks just like some old oatmeal. Oh wow, it feels really soft. There's no lumps of any hardness or anything like that. So let's do this. This bottom, I'm gonna leave a link down below where I got it from, because I always get asked. Now the application, this feels kind of cold. Oh man, apply a little bit too much. I mean, I already see white stuff. I already feel like washing my hair. That's how bad it feels. Funny, I don't even see the white stuff anymore. That might be the mousse. The mousse, I always get white stuff but it disappears. Maybe that's what happened. I thought it wouldn't disappear because of all this mixture, but it did. For the hairs on my face. So, by the way, this smells bomb. Let's see how this will turn out when it's 100% dry. Alright, one thing I can say, it did control the volume very well, and not every product can mix together with other products. Like a good product mixed together with another product might not be the ideal. I don't have any white stuff in my hair. It's like a controlled frizzy style. It's frizzy, okay? So I'm gonna go closer so you can see. It reminds me of results from some gel that I use, probably Guidad, the Ultra. But yeah, I still have a lot of frizz. It's so soft, okay? It's so soft. I did use gels and mousses and stuff, but it's really soft because you know, all those creams that I used. But yeah, these are the results. It's still it has very good definition. as far as definition goes. Very good volume, not like crazy, not too flat. It's just frizzy. It's frizzy, guys. I don't know if you can see how frizzy it is, but it's frizzy. This is definitely not gonna last me for second day or anything like that, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be, like especially for how it looked disgusting. Okay, I didn't like the way, like how my hair didn't absorb it as well, I feel. But this is it. This is me applying all my curly hair products mixed in together. But this is not that bad. I give it a, I don't know, it's frizzy. I give it a 6 out of 10. Alright, I'll never do that again. It's no. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check my previous videos down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and bye. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and since that's not enough, don't forget to click the bell so you'll get notified of my videos. Thank you guys.